Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's unique design technique is mainly based on fabric braid. So let's jump into the video to see how to create this unique design. This is the front body fabric and I have allowed extra 0.5 inches and cut it from the center as shown. Next, to prepare the braid, I have taken stripes of fabric with a width of 1.5 inches. You might need a few long stripes like this as you need to attach loops from top to bottom. Once the stripes are ready, fold and stitch them as shown. You can see that I needed to repeat this task until I have sufficient stripes to make the loops. Now let's cut these stripes into small pieces with a length of 3 inches. Now let's split the front fabric and fold the prepared stripes into loops and attach it at both sides as shown. Once this is done, let's finish the neckline with normal interfacing method, or you can even use piping method and place a piece of fabric with a width of at least 1.5 inches on top of the loops and stitch it with a gap of 0.5 inches up to the end of the design. We have reached to the most awaited part of the video. Listen and watch carefully as this step is very crucial. You can use a crochet hook for this purpose, but it is completely optional. Insert the first loop into the second and then insert the opposite bottom loop into the top loop. And then keep repeating the same procedure by inserting the opposite bottom loop into the top loop up to the end of the design. When you have reached to the final loop, attach this to the dress with some stitches as shown. You may see your dress is crinkled by the time you finish the design. Worry not, give a good iron and press well to straighten, and voila, this extremely unique design is ready. Comment as to what you think about this design and please subscribe the channel for more interesting and unique designs. Until then, bye bye from Home and You.